Hello, everyone. This is Michelle Newman, High Vibe Life Spirit Woman, here on Feeling the Frequency Friday. Are you feeling the frequency today, tonight? Whew, it is a new moon in Saggitarius, and it's also a full solar eclipse. If you're down in Antarctica or Australia or Southern Africa or the south of America, you can see the full solar eclipse. A full solar eclipse is a time when we really get to face our challenges. So I am High Vibe Life Woman here, playing a very high vibe for you as we dive deep into a different frequency for you to check out as the new moon opens up all the possibilities, all the possibility of newness, of openness, of creating a new life, of really seeing your highest vision and becoming the highest vibrational being that you can be on this planet. And it puts in front of us all of our challenges, all of the things that we have to face and reflect upon are put in front of us. Everyone today, and for the past week, has been calling me. My clients have been saying, what's going on? Everything in their life is up. It's like, is this what I'm doing? Or is this what I'm doing? What do I need to discard? What do I need to focus on? It is time for a real focus. So it's a time of truly checking ourselves out in a big way. The big reflections. We've all been here before, and it's time for more. So dive deep and allow yourself to really see who you are. And if you don't need it, get rid of it. If it's bothering you or in your life, it's time to focus on only what matters. Only what matters. The eclipse will eclipse our energy if we allow it. And if we just say, okay, I'm here, allow it to simply delete what you don't need. Cancel. Bye-bye. And be who you are. It's a big order. It's a big question and it's a big answer. And we each get to create to the best of our ability who we think we can be while we're here on this planet. Not everyone has the kinds of choices they think they can find to create this. But if you can, please do it for yourself and help the next person to do it as well. We're all here to help each other. So I honor you with love and gratitude for all we are, all we do, all we be, all we seem, all we wish for, all we desire, and all we receive as blessings. Blessings to you for this new moon in Sagittarius. Oh, it's the 5th night of Hanukkah. We're lighting candles. We're getting closer to the winter solstice, and the times, they are changing. Yep, that's a fact. And the times, they are a-changing. Blessings to you.